Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will watch the story of a wise monkey named Mimo. In a magical forest, two friends lived together. Leo the brave lion and Mimo the clever monkey. Leo protected the forest and Mimo was very smart. Mimo the monkey and Leo the lion were best friends. They loved playing and exploring the forest together. One sunny morning, while walking through the jungle, they heard that a cub was lost. They walked through the forest and met Tilly the tortoise. They got help from Tilly. Together, they followed the cub's tiny footprints. Mimo climbed trees to look far ahead. Leo used his strong roar to call out, and Tilly carefully checked paths on the ground. They reached a small river. The cub was crying on the other side. Mimo tried to jump across, but it was too wide. Leo thought for a moment and said, "Let's make a bridge with fallen branches." With Tilly's help, they carefully placed the branches across the river. Step by step, Mimo, Leo, and Tilly went near the little cub by crossing the river safely. "Oh, finally, we found him," said Mimo happily, laughing to Leo. Leo was so happy too. Leo smiled. "We are happy you are safe." Mimo cheered. Friends always help each other. Every night, Mimo and Leo thought about helping everyone who needed their help and having more adventures in the forest. Hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you next time.